So, due to the recent pandemic, most people have moved onto online classes, and me as well. And a lot of people are just using their webcams. And my camera doesn't look very good, so I wondered if I could use my iPhone as a webcam, and I figured out how to do it. There was an issue with the driver, so I left a link in the description for a new driver that works. So in order to use your phone as a webcam, you need to have Epoch Cam, and it's free in the App Store. So right here, and it connects to your computer through Wi-Fi. So once you download it, you're going to need to download the driver on your computer in order to launch and connect to your computer. So once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to this website where they have their drivers, and you just want to download the drivers for your computer. This also works on Mac, so and then you're just gonna want to install the driver. Now I already have it, so I'm not gonna go through it all, but you just go to the setup, and then it should make you restart your computer, or yeah. So I had to restart my computer to get it to work, so you might need to do that too. But anyways, once you download that, you could type in Epoch Cam Viewer, and then it should connect to your camera. So I'll show that right now. So now when we go into the app, it should connect to your laptop, and as you can see, it connected. And now you could see my screen, and I could move it around and show. So now I have a webcam right here, and you could use this in Zoom, OBS. It doesn't work on Discord. I tried it already. You could use it on Skype. So you could also use it as a webcam for streaming. So for Zoom, so I scheduled a meeting for Zoom just to show you how to connect the camera. So once you're on the main screen, you could go to video, or where it says start video, and you could see I have my Epoch Cam because my regular webcam sucks. So you could see how bad that is. And then you would just click here to switch to your Epoch camera, and then it would connect to your phone and it would show it. So I'll show that on my phone real quick. So now that I'm on my phone, if I go to Epoch Cam, it should connect, and you'll see it did connect, and now I could see my webcam on my computer. And I think this one's a lot better than using my regular webcam, because this is like much higher quality, and you could move it around. So if you have like a paper you need to show, or depending on the class you're taking, like you need to set up somewhere in order to show what you're doing, you could use your phone. And you could also use this in OBS. And that's really it. So the only issues I've had with this website is the drivers, which the original drivers didn't work, but now they have new drivers. And if you have issues with it, message me, and I'll see if I could fix it. And another issue I had, well, this is just like a issue that is like bound to happen, but Sometimes the phone disconnects from the Wi-Fi and it cuts off a lot, but it only happens like a couple times and not a lot, so it shouldn't really be a problem. But other than that, that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe and stay safe.